I caved and I bought the pink stuff. How do I do this? And I need to just shift my priorities. One really bad makeup habit that I have is I caved and I bought the pink stuff, the miracle cleaning paste. I saw so many people use this to clean their kitchen, and our oven and our stove is really going through it. So we need something that will actually clean it. So I want to try this out today. I also got the Scrub Daddy because apparently everyone uses that in combination with each other. I'm not sure if I should wet this before. I think I do, but I don't know. Let me show you what we're gonna clean today. So this is our kitchen stove, and we have some, I'm not sure if it's like burned into the stove or not, but there's like some parts that are definitely very clean or burnt, and I saw someone actually clean it with the pink stuff and it did help. So let's see. Then let's look at the oven. Yeah, I don't think I need to say too much about it. It's horrible, horrendous, not in good state. So I'm gonna put the pink stuff on here and let it sit for 30 minutes and see what it will do. I need to read the instructions first. This is what it looks like. So basically what I see them do on TikTok is just use this sponge. I made it wet already. And then they're just gonna go in to this stuff. Kind of dig it in there. I don't know. I have some of the pink stuff on here now. I think they just let it be on here. I don't know. How do I do this? Oh. Wait, let me show you. The woman on TikTok, she put the pink stuff on here and then she just let it sit for 30 minutes. But I'm now doing a little bit of this. And it's already coming off. Like this part, you see, it's getting clean. Ooh, so this might actually work. Okay, I'm gonna try this a little bit longer. Om 250 graden zetten. I'm doing a very light glam right now because I want to film a how I make die cut stickers at home. I hope that it takes me an hour to film and not much longer than that, but because it's Sunday, I figured I have the time to film that right now. And I also really need to get back on my sticker shop grind because I've been very neglected with my sticker shop. I did one sticker shop drop, and I haven't done a new drop ever since. And basically, if you have a sticker shop, you're supposed to at least have a new drop every quarter, I feel like. But because of my 9 to 5 and just vlogging and having a social life, I just don't get that much free time to work on my sticker shop. And I need to just shift my priorities and focus more on my sticker shop, because I do want to have another drop before the end of November, and November literally just started. So today I'm just gonna force myself to make some die cut stickers. I already finished a few designs, so I think that is already half the work. A light glam for me is basically just concealer and blush, and I'm not even sure if it's gonna show up on camera. One really bad makeup habit that I have is that I do not make sure that all my mascara is off from another day. So I put some mascara on, I think yesterday, and I didn't clean it properly. So now that I'm curling my eyelashes, I can just tell that there's still mascara on my lashes. You would think that someone who has like all this skincare and all this makeup would take care of themselves properly. Think again. This is the final glam, very subtle in my opinion, and I am gonna change my earrings. I've worn this pair for so long, it's time to wear something else for the video. I want to wear, why is everything falling? These star ones. I got these in Barcelona, super cute. Very summery vibes even though we're in fall, but that's okay. Let me give you a little sneak peek of which design I am going to make into a die cut sticker today. It's a very simple and cute design. This heart I'm going to make into die cut stickers. So this is a little preview for you guys. This video is going to be out in 1 or 2 weeks, so either next Sunday or the Sunday after. Stay tuned for that. Oh my god, everything is dropping. I'm going to film this video now and then I will be back with you guys. I just finished my video on how to make die cut stickers at home. Stay tuned for that video, as I said before. I feel like my day has been so productive, especially because I also made this die cut sticker video, and that's a lot more effort than you might think it is. Yeah, I need a little break.
Een andere acteur voor ook niet.
Dat gebeurt wel eens hoor.
Sailor Central.